Hey folks, I'm George from Colton RV in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania in the beautiful Lehigh Valley. I'm here to show you the 2025 Entegra Accolade 35L. This is a spectacular beast for off-road adventures. I want to start here with the Road Armor front deflector bumper. This thing is ready for a winch to accessorize in order to allow you to get off-road and pull yourself out of adventures that have gone a little bit too far. We got some heavy-duty ATV tires with the blackout rims. This system stands on the Easy Drive suspension system. It's been upgraded with the Coney shocks. It's got the BDS sway bars, additional heavy duty front and back. It also has Hellwig helper springs in it to give you that real nice control and soft feel off-road. This is built on the amazing Ford 600 6.7 power stroke turbo diesel chassis. One of the most reliable and powerful coming from Ford Motors. We have these beautiful extended rear view mirrors on both sides. We have the signature Entegra fiberglass one-piece fiberglass cap system up here. And you'll notice some accessories on the front, the LED camp lights, which are great for off-road adventures at night when you're trying to find your way into your campground. So come on back in this way. We have the slide on this side, on the camp side. Plenty of storage, folks. If you look inside, we've got pass-through storage with diamond plating, so it's heavy duty. You don't have to worry about throwing things in and out of there. We got plenty of storage in the back as well. We have room for your propane and your propane quick connect out here, so you can set up and have your barbecues outside here and entertain your guests. While we're talking about entertainment, we've got the beautiful 40-inch smart TV under here with JBL speakers, all controlled by Bluetooth. So while you're waiting for your chicken and your hot dogs to cook out here, you can watch the game. You got additional storage in the back as well. Here we have the large-scale hand-cooked tires as well, all-terrain capable. Okay, and coming around the back here, you see the end cap on the back of the unit, beautifully designed. This is full-body paint as well. We have a ladder prep if you want to put a ladder up there to easily get up on the roof and do your maintenance a few times a year. We'll have a backup camera help you get back into your campsites. Tow hitch on the back here as well, which you can put your e-bikes or tow a small vehicle. It's also got a 7-way connector, so you can hook up to a small trailer on the back as well. And then you also have the additional LED lights for backing up when you're going into the campground at night as well. So up on the roof, we have Starlink already built in at the factory. We also have a WineGuard 2.0 Wi-Fi extender up there with an optional 4G service that if you want to extend your cell phone to have a mobile hotspot, we can do that as well. You might hear a little bit of sound in the background, folks. So what that is that's your own 6,000 watt generator. It's running pretty quietly, but it causes a little bit of white noise, so apologize for that. Now around the business side of the camper, we have 2 diesel tanks. So you have separate diesel capacity, which is great because if you're only going for short distances, you can only fill up one if you have to. Nice thing about this system is that the Onan generator is also diesel, so it actually runs off of your diesel system, so you never have to worry about running out of diesel fuel for the generator. If you get down to about quarter of a tank or so, the generator shuts off and protects you so you can still get to a gas station and fill up if you need to. There's additional storage on this side, but we also have the black and the gray tank, so you can do easy camping hookups on this side, just like you would traditional camping. You have this beautiful large slide out on this side as well. And that's the walk around on the outside. Let's take a tour inside. So we have the beast on the outside, we have the beauty on the inside. Here we have beautiful little theater seats, very, very comfortable. You can sit here and enjoy a movie, sports game, or even family videos if you like. This is the overcab bunk. What Entegra has done here is they've really upgraded the foam to make this extremely comfortable for even adults. It can fit 750 pounds. You have this beautiful panoramic window in the front that has the automatic shade and plenty of storage to the left and right. So if you have additional goods to put up here, camping, reading material, etc., it's a perfect space for just hanging out and enjoying the view. Then we have a convertible dinette here. You can see it's already been put down, getting ready for the night. So it's very easy to convert the dinette table into a support, which you then can quickly make it into a bed for a small adult or child. There we go. Again, very comfortable foam. Here you see the large 50-inch smart television in the extended mode. That actually disappears into the shelf area and hides away when you're in transit. Beautiful JBL sound bar. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to convert this back into the dinette. Just lift up, there's additional storage under here, which should be noted. It's nice to have that too. And this dinette system actually has safety belts, so passengers can safely ride here as well if they choose. And just as easy as this locks in place. This goes back down. And this guy goes over here. Voila. Very simple. And now you have this wonderful dinette. Sit down, play cards, eat dinner, have cocktails, whatever you choose. So plenty of storage for you putting your snacks in, and blankets during chilly weather as well. We have an induction cooktop which runs exclusively on electric. Very easy to operate. Plenty of storage underneath in the kitchen as well. Beautiful convection microwave oven. Lots of cooking options in this coach, that's for sure. And one of my favorite features in the kitchen here is the residential size sink, which gives you plenty of space to do your dishes and operate around the kitchen. And if you need the additional counter space, you can put these up as well and use as your cutting surface. Here we have the giant residential refrigerator, which has plenty of freezer storage underneath here. This is literally the size of your freezer at home, which is wonderful when you're on the road. Gives you lots of food options and plenty of storage for long trips. And this beautiful pantry, which you can put your dry goods in. And snacks are always good too when you're on the road. Additional storage down here as well. They really thought of everything as far as storage in this coach. So come on back, let me show you the back living area. This wonderful separation between the shower and the toilet. What's really nice about this is that if you're traveling with a friend or a companion, one of them can be in the shower while somebody else is in the toilet. Really nice space. And just so you show, I'm 6'1", and I've got plenty of room in here, even with this beautiful sunroof up here. So here's a perfect opportunity to look at the bathroom. There's a little toilet in there. Beautiful countertops, porcelain toilet. Very high quality finishes in this coach. Lots and lots of storage in the bedroom as well. So you got this wonderful wardrobe. Again, hardwoods, very high quality. You have a beautiful little operating fireplace, which can be used for entertainment, where you just have the light on, or you can actually have it throw heat up to 5,000 plus BTUs, enough to take the chill out of the air and add a little bit of romance to the room. 32-inch smart TV is included back here as well. You have another wardrobe with hanging. And then you have additional storage under here, which currently is set up to have drawers, but these can be removed and this whole area can be converted into a washer dryer setup. So it's actually plumbed with a washer dryer. King size bed, which is wonderful for something in this size coach. Most customers really demand it in something this luxurious. And then you have additional storage above the bed as well. Nice little reading lights, LED. Very low energy requirements, and then you have these wonderful little pop-up USB ports here, so you can charge your electronics while you're sleeping. But ultimately, a lot of comfort in here, and certainly lots of space. Well, thanks everyone for taking a tour with me of the Accolade 35L. If you have any questions or want more information, please do feel free to reach out to me, George, again, at Colton RV and Marine in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. And you can reach me on my direct line of 610-863-5239, extension 842. And we'd love to see you here, so I can show you this beautiful unit in person.